Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we are going to discuss 5 words. You will see the meaning and the sentence related to it. Let's jump into the video. First word is frolic. It means to play or move cheerfully, excitedly and energetically. Sentence with that word would be: the children frolic in the park on a sunny afternoon. The puppies frolic in the grass, chasing each other happily. Next word is jotting. It means to take a quick or brief note written down to remember something. Sentence with that would be: she made a jotting in her notebook so that she wouldn't forget the idea. He glanced at the jottings he has made during the meeting. Next word is fodder. It means the food, especially dried hay or feed, that is given to farm animals like cows, horses, and all. Sentence with that would be: the farmer loaded the barn with fodder for the cattle. Next sentence is: the horses eagerly ate the fodder after a long day of work in the fields. Next word is antics. It means that is funny, silly, or strange actions or behavior, usually to get some attention. The sentence with that would be: the clown's antics made all the children laugh. Next sentence is: the puppy's playful antics kept the whole family entertained. The last word for the video is natty. It means something which is neat, stylish, and fashionable in appearance of clothing. So sentence with that would be: he looked very natty in his new suit and tie. Sentence is: she wore a natty outfit that turned heads at the party. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a like, share this content with your friends and family, and do comment in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.